Hello, welcome to Marlene's Kitchen. Today I am here with a beautiful Goan recipe. It is called the Patal Bhaji, potato bhaji patal. Okay, it is liquidy. For this, look at the ingredients what I have taken. I have taken 6 potatoes of this, 6 potatoes. Put it in the cooker for 5 whistles. Okay, put it off and leave it to cool by itself. I have removed. Now to show you, do not make it so much smashed, because when you cut it, it should be able to cut like this. Okay. Now when you make dosa, bhaji for dosa, that's a different thing. Okay, that will be smashed, but here you should be able to cut like this, cubes. Okay, you can make cubes of any shape. Okay, you can make symmetrically cubes or make it anyhow, and I will tell you why. Okay, like this, do not cook it too much, like this it should be. That is why I say 5 whistles. I kept this to show you how it becomes when you cut, because after cooking it will boil further. Patal Bhaji is made like this. Some of them what they do, they peel the raw potatoes, cut it into cubes and boil it in lots of water with salt. Now I don't like to do like that, I will do it like this. Okay, that way also, because I told you there are variations in cooking this. I hope you understand what I told. Some do it like that, but I prefer to do it like this. See, if you have overcooked it for 7-8 whistles, this skin comes out easily, but here see, this is the way you should be able to peel it. So you know it is cooked just the right way I want for Patal Bhaji. Yes. Light the gas, keep it on medium high flame. Let it get heated. Put in coconut oil. This requires a little more oil. Okay, maybe 1.5 serving spoon of oil. Let the oil become hot. Okay, just a few jeera, cumin seeds. Then put in a little mustard seeds. Let it spurt. Smashed jezar lele, smashed ginger, 1/2 inch, 1 twig of curry leaves, 6 to 8 garlic cloves cut fine. Then you put chilies, 3 chilies I have taken and cut quite big pieces. Okay. Now you can straight away put in the onions. See that you do this on a medium flame, because the onion should not become brown, it should become translucent. Fry it, medium flame. I will put little salt at this stage, because the onions will get cooked. are translucent. Put half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then put in the the potatoes. Mix it well, and at this stage you must add water. That is why it is called Patal Bhaji. Now you add water as much as this potatoes get submerged. Okay, patal jaung jaye. It's not like the dosa potatoes that we make. Okay, that is smashed beforehand only. Okay, let it cook. I will close it. So these potatoes have to be cooked because some I have to smash inside. Okay, it has to cook. So after cooking I will smash some potatoes inside. So that gives this thing, what is that, little taste in the Patal Bhaji. Don't you worry, cook the Patal Bhaji. Let it take 5 or 10 minutes because it has to get soft in the water at this stage. We'll wait. Yes. Okay, let it cook. You can wait for 5-10 minutes. I have to see, it has to smash. Then I have to put another 2 ingredients. Okay. 5 minutes have passed. I just want to see if it is cooked further. Yes, very good. So what I'll do, little potatoes have to be smashed inside. I've used this smasher. Just a few, so that the liquid also gets the taste of the potatoes. That's done. Enough. Okay. Now garnish, put little sugar, very little. And garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves. I'll put it off and serve it. I'll serve it now. My dish of Patal Bhaji is ready. You can have this with anything. You say your pav, because usually in Goa they have with bread or pav, or that some buns are available there. Okay. And my dear viewers, please follow my recipes word to word and get back to me if there are any suggestions. Till then, have a nice day. Puro.